In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see pending Robux on mobile, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to your web browser instead of Roblox app and go on to roblox.com and it'll open up here. Click on Continue in Browser. Now you're going to need to log in. I'm just going to use my Face ID to log in, and then I am going to continue in browser once again. Now, as you can see, this looks pretty similar to what it looks like on your PC, but there's one more step you need to do to actually see pending Robux. You're going to click on the two A's on the URL bar, and then click on Request Desktop Site. This will ensure that it looks exactly like it's supposed to look, rather than on the actual Roblox app. So for me, I'm going to click on the Robux icon at the top right corner and click on my balance. Now, as you can see pending Robux now if you scroll down, and as you can see, that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.